Car ownership in America is costing most people more than they make in 3 months of work every single year. Not the payment, the total. Every cost combined, the loan, the fuel, the insurance, the depreciation, the maintenance, the taxes and fees. According to RAYLYTA, the average American spends $10,728 a year to own and operate a single car. Most people have never done that math, and the system they are living inside was designed around that. Here is what I mean. You were sold a car twice, once by the manufacturer, and once by every person who gave you a thumbs up when you drove it off the lot. The second sale is the expensive one, because the moment you start buying a car for what it signals instead of what it transports, the entire financial equation shifts against you. And nobody in that dealership is going to tell you that. I want to get to something before this video ends that most car content never touches. Because it is not the payment that is hurting you. It is what the payment is costing you somewhere else entirely. Stay with me. That number is going to sit with you. Before we go further, I need to address something. There is a version of you right now that is thinking, I need a car, I have no choice, this does not apply to me. And that may be true. But the question this video is actually asking is not whether you need a car, it is whether you know what the one you have is actually costing you, because those are two completely different questions. Here is the first thing nobody calculates before they sign. The depreciation trap. 99% of cars lose value from the moment you own them. That is not a surprise. What is a surprise is how fast it happens and where on the curve most people are buying. A new car loses between 10 and 15% of its value the moment it leaves the lot. Not after a year, not after 1,000 miles. The moment the transaction is complete and you are driving home. The sweet spot on any depreciation curve. The place where most of the value loss has already happened, but the car is still reliable. Sits between 3 and 5 years old with 30 to 40,000 miles. That is the car that someone else absorbed the loss on. That is the car that costs you significantly less to own, without costing you significantly more to maintain. Most people do not buy there, because a 3-year-old car does not get the same reaction in the parking lot. And that reaction, that social signal, is part of what they were actually buying. The number nobody adds up. Here is the calculation most people have never done. Take your monthly car payment, add your average monthly fuel cost, add your monthly insurance premium, add a monthly estimate for maintenance and registration. Add a monthly share of the depreciation you are absorbing every year. For the average American, that total sits between $800 and $1,100 a month. Not the payment, the total cost of the vehicle in your driveway every single month. Now multiply that by 12. Now ask yourself what that number would look like in 10 years if it had been invested instead of spent. At a conservative 7% average annual return, the kind of return a basic index fund has historically produced over long periods, $10,000 a year invested for 10 years becomes approximately $138,000. The car in your driveway did not appreciate. It went the other direction. That is the real cost. Not what you paid, what you gave up by paying it. The one thing you can do this week. You do not have to sell your car. You do not have to move closer to work. You do not have to make a dramatic financial decision today. But there is one thing worth doing this week that costs nothing and takes 20 minutes. Calculate your actual total monthly cost of car ownership. Payment plus fuel plus insurance plus a rough maintenance estimate. Write the real number down, not the payment, the number. Then decide whether the car you are driving is worth that number to you, not to the people who see you driving it, to you. Most people who do this math for the first time feel something specific, not regret, not shame, just clarity. The quiet recognition that a decision they made years ago has been quietly extracting from them every month since without ever being examined. Now you have examined it. The Wealth Without Illusions newsletter breaks down one wealth extraction system every week. The costs that sit in plain sight because everyone around you is absorbing them too. Link is in the description. Free. Subscribe so the algorithm shows you the next one. Wealth Without Illusions. Now you know.